Hi guys. Um, this time I'm going to give you a very short video. I'm gonna try to make it as short as possible because I don't want you guys to stress out with so much homework. Okay, now we're going to continue with passive voice, and I have a few activities. But first, I want you guys to watch a video. So relax and go grab some popcorn and a soda and watch the video. Okay?
Hello everybody, I am Anastasia and today we take on passive voice. Let's start with this simple formula. Passive voice is used when an object receives an action and becomes a subject of a sentence, no matter who or what makes that action. This simple formula makes it easier to understand passive voice. Let's see how it works with the help of example. The food was stolen. The object food received an action to steal and became a subject of this sentence. In this example, we don't know who stole the food, but if you need to include any information about who did the action, you can just add by. For example, the food was stolen by a thief. Alright, so now as we have a basic understanding of passive voice, let's review it in details to know exactly what is passive voice and how to use passive voice. But before that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Passive voice is a grammatical voice construction that is used when the object of an action becomes a subject of the sentence. The structure of passive voice is the following: subject plus form of the verb to be plus past participle of a verb plus optional prepositional phrase plus rest of the sentence. Just remember this structure and use it to form a sentence in passive voice. Here is another example for you. The apple tree was planted by my friend 2 days ago. The apple tree is a subject. Was is a past simple form of the verb to be. Planted is a past participle of a verb to plant. By my friend is an optional prepositional phrase. And 2 days ago is the rest of the sentence which we use to explain when the action happened. Same sentence but in active voice would sound this way. 2 days ago, my friend planted the apple tree. The difference between the active voice and the passive voice is that active voice is used when a subject makes an action to an object. Passive voice is used when an object receives an action and becomes a subject. Let's practice a little bit with the passive voices. What if we need to create a passive voice sentence, for example in present perfect or future continuous tense? It's no different, just use the formula that we learned already. Subject plus form of the verb to be plus past participle. Present simple tense. The house is cleaned every day. The house is a subject. Is a present simple form of the verb to be. Cleaned is a past participle of a verb to clean. Every day is the rest of the sentence. Present continuous tense. The house is being cleaned at the moment. The house is a subject. Is being is a present continuous form of the verb to be. Cleaned is a past participle of a verb to clean. At the moment is the rest of the sentence. Past simple tense. The house was cleaned yesterday. The house is a subject. Was is a past simple form of a verb to be. Cleaned is a past participle of a verb to clean. Yesterday is the rest of the sentence. Past continuous tense. The house was being cleaned last week. The house is a subject. Was being is a past continuous form of the verb to be Cleaned is a past participle of a verb to clean. Last week is the rest of the sentence. Present perfect tense. The house has been cleaned since you left. The house is a subject. Has been is a present perfect form of the verb to be. Cleaned is a past participle of a verb to clean. Since you left is the rest of the sentence. Past perfect tense. The house had been cleaned before they arrived. The house is a subject. Had been is a past perfect form of the verb to be. Cleaned is a past participle of a verb to clean. Before they arrived is the rest of the sentence. Future tense. The house will be cleaned next week. The house is a subject. Will be is a future form of the verb to be. Cleaned is a past participle of a verb to clean. Next week is the rest of the sentence. Future continuous tense. The house will be being cleaned tomorrow. The house is a subject. Will be being is a future continuous form of the verb to be. Cleaned is a past participle of a verb to clean. Tomorrow is the rest of the sentence. Alright, I hope now you know how to form and use passive voice. Just keep on practicing. Ask your questions in the comments, and the most interesting questions will be answered in the next videos. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Bye bye!
Thank you guys, hope you like it, and I recommend you guys to watch it more than once, 3 times, 4 times, as many times as you need to comprehend really well this topic. Okay, now I have 2 activities for you, and we have 10 sentences, and what you have to do, you have to rewrite the sentence using the passive form. Okay, and I have placed the answer for the first one, and it says John gave a bar of chocolate to Jill, and one possible answer is Jill was given a bar of chocolate, and this is optional, by John. The next one, a bar of chocolate was given to Jill by John. Okay, so please try to answer these 2 activities, and like I said, don't stress out, do it if you can, and if you have any doubts, we can solve them during virtual class. Okay, this is not homework that you have to give me like like a regular homework. This is just an activity that I want you guys to do in your house. And if, for example, if you cannot complete number 2 because you have a question, don't do it. Okay, but please do your best to complete these activities. Okay, and see you guys next time. Thank you.